Hey there. Okay, so I just want to show you a little demo of something that I've been adding into Copywriter in your pocket, also into the AI copywriting systems that I'm developing for clients. So if you're interested in either of those, reach out. Happy to share information with you. The link for Copywriter in your pocket is probably around this video somewhere. Anyway, so this is the prompt. This is what I've boiled it down to. Run a workflow and give it the name of the workflow and the details of the offer. So I'm just going to show you how this works. Now, you can use this in ChatGPT or in Claude. I'm going to show you in both. And that is the prompt. So everything else has been built into the system. It knows what I mean by the content plan. It knows what type of content I want it to write. It knows what my offer is. It knows who my audience is. It knows what language I want it to use. And so it's creating this content plan with a mix of different types of content at a high level overview. So I'm doing this in 2 steps. First step, give me that content plan. Give me my 14 days of content, a piece a day, following the structure that I want it to follow. I can then go through this and batch create all this content, get it all done in one go. And can you see it's coming at it from lots of different angles? It's using different types of frameworks that I've built into it. It's pulling like different ideas based on my, stuff I know about my audience. Okay, so I've got this is the high level overview. So what I can do now is look at it and go, okay, yes, this piece, not that piece. Let's take this idea and flesh it out. If you want to use Claude, exact same process. Okay, so I've done the same here in Claude. I've just put the prompt in and now it's giving me a content plan. Day 1, day 2, pulling in the different ideas, giving me that high level overview. So I don't have to kind of come up with these ideas. It's giving me the ideas. It's following my system. And then I can very quickly and easily get my AI copywriters help to build out to write the first draft of the post for me. So yeah, pretty cool. Hey, love to know what you think. And if you're inside Copywriter in the pocket, I've given you everything you need to set this and other automated workflows up.